Let's break down how long does a concrete driveway take to install. Here's what you need to know. Most concrete driveways take 3 to 7 days from excavation to completion. Learn what affects timeline, curing requirements, and when you can drive on new concrete. Quick answer. Most concrete driveways take 5 to 7 business days from start to finish, including site prep, the pour day, and initial curing. The concrete pour itself takes 4 to 8 hours, but you cannot drive on the surface for 7 days while it cures to minimum usable strength. Planning a concrete driveway project in North Carolina? One of the first questions is simple. How long will this take? The answer depends on more than just the pour day. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company has worked on hundreds of driveway projects ranging from small residential slabs to large commercial installations. Unlike most concrete contractors that collect a deposit and risk disappearing before the job is finished, Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is complete. This post breaks down the real timeline, explains what affects duration, and shows you exactly what happens each day. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company handles residential driveway projects ranging from 400 to 1,200 square feet, with timelines that depend on site prep, weather, and finishing details. Concrete requires a minimum 7-day cure before light traffic and 28 days before full strength, numbers that define the real project window, not just the pour day. Unlike contractors who collect a deposit and leave, Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, and homeowners pay nothing until the work is complete. Most North Carolina driveways in the Charlotte metro, Raleigh-Durham area, and Triad region are ready for vehicle use within 5 to 7 business days of the initial pour. Moving on to typical timeline for a concrete driveway. A standard residential concrete driveway takes 5 to 7 business days from the first site visit to the point where you can safely drive on it. Here's the breakdown. Day 1. Site evaluation, measurements, and demolition if replacing old concrete. 4 to 8 hours. Day 2. Subgrade prep, compaction, form setup. 6 to 8 hours. Day 3. Concrete pour and finishing. 4 to 8 hours. Days 4 to 7. Curing period. No traffic, minimal disturbance. Next up, what happens on the pour day? Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.